guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to do this underpainting TikTok viral makeup by Mary Phillips. Who is Mary Phillips? Mary Phillips is celebrity makeup artist. She shared her makeup techniques, how she uses these techniques on celebrity, natural look, airbrush effects. So guys, without delay, let's begin. So first I'm going to start with my skincare. So it's very important to clean your skin and make sure your skin is clean and fresh to get flawless makeup result. After cleanse, I'm applying moisturizing to keep my skin hydrating and long lasting makeup. And moisturizing is very important to apply all skin types and conditions. Next, I'm applying sun lotion to protect my skin from sun and sun rays. Then I'm applying primer oil for extra hydrating my skin because I have got dry skin. If you got oily skin, do not use any primer oil. So guys, you can use normal primer. Next, I'm going to apply eye cream for keep my eye hydrating, reduce fine lines, dryness and smooth result when you apply concealer. Then apply lip balm to keep my lips plump and smooth. After prep my skin, I'm going to leave my skin 4 to 5 minutes to absorb all products on my skin. Then before underpainting makeup, I'm going to do color correcting, black circle eyes, any pigmentation, uneven skin tone, blemishes, any kind of skin condition, you must do skin correcting and use color correcting accounting to your skin condition. Otherwise, your foundation or concealer will look gray or ashy. So guys, I'm using peach color correcting under my eyes and where I have got uneven skin tone. For blending, I'm using clean finger method. You can use beauty sponge or brush. Next, I'm doing my eyebrow and just I'm going to fill spar areas. Next excited part of the makeup start. Mary Phillips used all cream products, so I'm going to use all cream and liquid product. First product, I'm applying cream contour stick, then I'm going to apply in the forehead, cheek, nose and jaw lines. Next, apply concealer under eyes, forehead, near my mouth, cheekbone and top of my nose bridge. Then applying liquid blush. So I applied 3 products, contour, concealer and blush according to underpaint makeup and Mary Phillips techniques. Looking very easy process, but have a look how easy to blend out. So I feel little dry my skin, then I use makeup setting spray to hydrating and easy to blend out. First I'm blending contour and I'm using different sponges, brushes to blend out. Then blend out till smooth and evenly. So guys, you can see everything blend out properly. Next step is apply foundation. According to Mary thick big floppy brush, take foundation in your hand and blend and mix foundation on the brush and apply slightly foundation. No need to cover your skin with a foundation, just apply slightly to get natural look. So guys, you can see it looks beautiful and blend out very nicely. No look patchy at all. Then I'm applying very lightly loose translucent powder under my eyes, T-zone, and where I normally start to sweat and stop to get creases and for long lasting makeup. Next, I'm doing rest of my makeup. So guys, this is my final look. I followed Mary Phillips underpainting makeup techniques. These techniques work on my skin very nicely and looks natural and airbrush effects. Very easy to follow steps. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I love you all guys and see you in next video. Bye.